Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you in today's new video. So in today's video, I'll once again be trading with alligator indicator. So many of you have requested me for this video, so I'll once again show you how to trade with this indicator, combining it with technical analysis. So I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private team, because in this private team, so many of you interact with each other. So many of you ask me questions about crypto trading, and I also answer them. I also post their trading signals. I also post my trading charts, and I also explain anything concerning about crypto. So feel free to join, and I really invite you to join this group because it's very useful and very helpful. So let's start trading. Hello friends, so today I'll be trading with the alligator indicator. So the alligator indicator is an instrument to identify price reversals and also the strength of the movement. So I'd like to show you how to apply this indicator and how to use it. To activate this indicator, you have to click and choose alligator in the list of indicators. You don't need to change anything, just make the moving averages a bit thicker if you want, or you can change the colors. So you can see 3 moving averages have appeared on the chart. So looking at the chart, there is 1 green moving average and there are 2 red moving averages. So how do you enter the market? To enter the market, you have to look at the green moving average. For example, is crossing the red moving average from top to bottom. So this is a signal to enter the market with a down trade. The price will be falling in this case, and the chart has showed that the price really fell down. So also the opposite is true. When the green moving average is crossing the red moving average from bottom to top, this is a signal for you to show you that you have to enter the market with an up trade. So otherwise, if you see the down trade, you better open a down trade here, especially if the indicator signals it. So one more signal that you have to look at is also when the moving averages have crossed and the moving averages are very close to each other. So the further they are diverging from each other, the stronger the signal for a decrease. So this action signals movement down, and you're free to enter the market with a down trade. So I would like to show you trades and different situations using this alligator, and how you can interpret it and how you can use a technical analysis while using this indicator. So let's start with our very first situation for today. So analyzing this situation, this is a movement down that is very steady. There is still a distance to the level of support. It means that price has a place to fall down. So analyzing the indicator, it shows the crossing of moving averages, and it means that in the near future the price will be falling down. So I entered the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and it's also worth noting that price has really good strength to go down in this trade. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the movement down resumed, and I've got the profit from this transaction. The time was good, and the analysis of the indicator was also very good. It helped me determine the price movement. And now you can see that price is still trending to the level of support, and the moving averages are moving further from each other right now. So this signals that anytime soon there'll be movement down. So I will enter the market here with a 1 minute trade down, because price is now impulsively going beyond the level. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, despite the fact that the price slowed down in its pace, movement down resumed, and I've got my profit from this transaction. Well, you can notice a kind of accumulation, which was also a flat, and after that movement down continued. But let me continue to another situation. So here on the chart, this is the level of resistance. The price pulled back down and then reversed, and now it's trending to the resistance level. And also there is the inner level where the price has slowed its pace. Also, it's worth noting that the indicator shows the crossing of moving averages, which signals that soon movement up will happen. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes, and this time is with a margin because there may be a flat or a pullback downwards, and then movement upwards will continue. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, it was quite an interesting trade, but I've got my profit from this transaction. Price resumed its steady movement to the level of resistance and then rolled back down. But let me continue and find another situation to trade on. So I've come back to this currency pair, but after some time. So here you can see an ongoing impulsive movement down. Price has hit the level of support and there was a false breakout. So here I'll enter the market for 1 minute with a down trade. I think that price will break through this level because the moving averages are moving further from each other. This indicates that movement down will happen soon. So let me wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the price moved down and then broke through this level, and I've got excellent profit from this transaction. Well, I'm ready to continue trading. So this is another situation. This is the movement down that is very steady. There is a distance to the level of support, and the indicator signals that movement down will happen because the moving averages have crossed and they are moving further from each other. So I entered the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and I wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, price has pulled back up and then trended to the level of support. I've got my profit here, so let me continue on to another situation. So this is the level of resistance on the chart. The price pulled back down and then price is trending to this level again. And analyzing the indicator, I can see that it shows the crossing of moving averages. So it's better to enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes. I think this time will be enough, despite the fact that there will be a small pullback down. But movement upwards will continue because it has strength to go up. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price moved upwards and then a pullback down happened, and then price again trended up and there was a false breakout of the level, but I managed to get my profits here. So I chose this time correctly, so let me find something else to trade on. So here on the chart, this is the level of support, and right now this is the movement down and the price maximum is getting lower, and the indicator shows the crossing of the moving averages, and it signals that anytime soon the price will move down. So I'll enter the market for 2 minutes with a down trade, and I guess this time will be enough despite any flat, because price has strength to go down. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So looking at this trade, price pulled back up and then moved downwards and it broke through this level. I've got amazing profit from this trade, so let me continue trading. So analyzing this chart, this is the level of support here. Price pulled back up and then reversed and is trending to the level and hitting it. And the indicator shows the crossing over of the moving averages. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because the indicator signals movement down will resume and the breakout of the level may happen. So let me wait for the end of this trade and see. So analyzing this trade, after the flat, the price trended downwards and then broke through this level. I've got the profit from this transaction, so the indicator was analyzed correctly and it defined price movement. So let me go on another situation. So this is the level of support. Price trended upwards and now is trending to this level of support, and it's moving quite steadily. So the indicator really shows us that anytime soon there will be movement down. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. Analyzing this trade, price trended downwards and I have got my profit. And I really analyzed the situation very well with the indicator. So let me continue. So here in the chart, this is the level of resistance and the price pulled back down and it's now trending to this level again. So the indicator shows the crossing over of the moving averages, and I guess that the price is likely to keep trending to the level of resistance. And I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, price trended to this level and then pulled back down, and then movement up resumed, and I've got my profit from this transaction. The indicator really helped me determine the price movement, and now my balance is $6,500. So I think I'll find my last trade for today. So this is a new situation, and this is a level of support, and the price is impulsively trending down. So it has been a small pullback up, and the indicator is showing the crossing of the moving averages, and they are moving further from each other, which signals that anytime soon there will be movement down. So I'll enter the market for 2 minutes with a down trade, and I guess price will trend to this level despite a possible flat or a pullback upwards, because price has strength to go down. So let me wait for the results of this trade. Analyzing this trade, price pulled back up and then resumed movement to support level. I've got very good profits, and my balance is now $8,100, and I think I'll stop here for today. So I managed to hit my goal for today, and I was able to get this result combining technical analysis with the use of an indicator. So technical analysis is the basis of any trade, because all indicators are just auxiliary tools. You need to brush up on your skills of technical analysis. So if you want to learn more about technical analysis, you need to watch my other videos on this channel. I've posted many videos about technical analysis. Just watch them and you can be able to learn more about this. And also, if you have any questions, if you have any comments if you have any suggestions, if you want to learn more about technical analysis or about the alligator indicator and other indicators, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. This link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MoneyTeam, and then I'll be able to add you to this channel so that you can be able to ask me your questions, so that you can be able to discuss among each other, so that you can be able to receive trading signals that I post there once a day, look at my trading charts, and I'll be glad to hear from you as well. So thank you so much for watching this channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, comment down below if you have any new ideas for any new video, or if you even have any questions. And also don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.